Hello everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee with Kathy Jarvis, and it's been another busy week. On Saturday we were expecting our oldest son to come home, but he had to work late on Friday, so decided to wait until the next day. So I didn't get much done in the morning, but in the afternoon I decided it was time to start clearing out the bird garden, and it was a mess. It had a lot of dead plants in it, and so I started clearing it out, and I was actually going to take all the goldenrod out, but once I got back to where the goldenrod was at, I realized it was covered with wasps and bumblebees, and I looked around and there was no other flowers in bloom except for my asters. So I decided to leave all the goldenrod up on the back part. Now I cleared out the front part up to the bird bath, so it's done for the winter. But we'll have to clear out the back part once the goldenrod's done blooming and gone. But that took all afternoon to do. Okay. Oops. Alright, on Monday he worked in town replacing the mailboxes, which had gotten knocked down again, second time in less than a month. So he put those back up, and on Tuesday morning I helped him put them up. Monday I really didn't do much, worked with the dog and just did the housework and cleaned up the house a little bit and did some laundry. Tuesday I helped him with the mailboxes, and then I had to start my prep for my colonoscopy. Nightmare. Let's put it just that way, nightmare. It was the prep where you take the 4 tablets and you mix the junk with the Gatorade or sports drink, and you drank 64 ounces of it. No, it was a nightmare. I ended up getting about halfway through it, and then I got sick and called the doctor and got some nauseous medicine, which didn't work. Tried the stuff again, didn't work. So Wednesday we went in for the colonoscopy, and luckily it was able to do the test and everything came out okay. Slept most of the afternoon because I'd been up all night the night before almost. So I slept most of Wednesday afternoon and took care of the animals that night. And then on Thursday we came to town and went to town, and it was raining. We finally got some rain, but of course it was Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest has been going on in our town since 1971, I think, or 72, and it's a 3-day event, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, I'm sorry. And so we went to that, and also did some shopping, went out to eat, and vacuumed the stairs at the apartments, and just did little things like that, not too much. On Friday, he went up and mowed more grass up at my mom's old place, and I took care of the cats. Last couple of days I had not been using the flea spray, and they came back with a vengeance. Cats were just covered with them. So I bought some commercial flea spray for cats. You have to test it on the cats for an hour before you can put it on them. So I tested it on the worst ones, which was Peaches, Mitzi, and Prince. All those had chewed to the point where they had some blood. So I tested it on them, waited an hour to see if they were okay. And they seemed to be okay, so I sprayed the crates down, took the feed dishes, the water dishes out and sprayed the crates, like it said. That way they will have time to dry before tonight when they get back in. If not, I'll wipe them off until they're dry. So hopefully we can get the fleas taken care of once and for all. This is a natural, made with natural ingredients, so it's supposed to be non-toxic. So we'll see how it works. And if that doesn't work, I'll have to go. I've got so many cats that I can't really go with the expensive cat stuff. So I'm trying to get by with whatever I can to control these without going really expensive. So I've done that. I did that on Friday and cleaned out Hercules' crate. He's the only one I didn't get cleaned out before the colonoscopy disaster. At least that's over with. And then it's supposed to get cold, so I went out and harvested the rest of the red tomatoes. I saw a couple green ones on there. I'm gonna leave. We're not one for green tomatoes, so if they don't make it, no big deal. And the peppers that were inside the sweet peppers are inside the greenhouse. I harvested them and watered the greenhouse as well on Friday. And then we went to Oktoberfest and got the usual food that we like to eat there. So, hope you're enjoying your week. I hope you have a good weekend. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.